Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 50% off of Databricks certifications, and there is a virtual learning festival is going on 2025 free rewards and limited time offer. So Databricks Virtual Learning Festival 2025 learn and level up and get rewarded. So event date will be started from the October 10th and there is October 31st 2025. What's happening? Get ready for the celebrate learning, growth, and career advancement with the Databricks Virtual Learning Festival 2025. Whether you are new to data or experienced professional, this is your chance to enhance your skill on the data engineering, data analysis, machine learning, and generative AI. Exclusive reward that is from October 10 to October 31st 2025. Complete at least one self-paced learning pathway in the Databricks Customer Academy and unlock 50% off on the Databricks any of the Databricks certifications, 20% off on the annual Databricks Academy Lab subscription. Reward will be sent to your Databricks Academy account, email, or early November after the event concludes. So don't miss out, make your calendar, complete your learning journey path, and claim your certification discount and reward. For full details, check the official FAQ page on the Databricks website, and this is the registration link for that. So Virtual Learning Festival 10th of October to 31st October 2025, and there is a learn, level up, and get rewarded. Save the date. So date is same. We are celebrating the learning, growth, and career advancement, and the exciting opportunity to level up the data engineering. And already I told you, so user who complete at least one safe placed learning pathway, so you have to complete at least one of the pathway. So, and within the customer academy between the October 10th and October 31st will be receive the following initiatives. So 50% off of the any database certification and other details are there. So course is required to complete, and there is a 20% off of the annual Databricks Academy Lab subscription. So course is required is there is a list of the course. So first is the associate data engineering, there is a four links are there: professional data engineering and data analysis, there is a two; professional ML practitioners, there is a two. So like that all the data is there. So let me test with some one of this, so a small one. So data analysis, so I'm going through this. So open this one, click this. So there is your option sign in or register. Just click on this. There is SSO, single sign on. So you can sign in with the AWS, GCP, Azure. So you can sign in over one of these, or if you would like to log in with the email, please enter your email address. So let me enter, then continue. So I'll get a 6-digit code in my email. Let me check. 811273. Welcome to Databricks training, and there is a course detail as there. So you can start learning.
Welcome to AI.
So all the details will be the AI and BI for the data analysis. There is a 20 lessons is there. You have to complete all the lessons. Then uh, don't be panic, and you will get a there is a yeah. I'm searching the date. So rewarded will be the email to the address link your Databricks Academy account in early November after the event has concluded. So don't be panic, you will get a rewards on this email address. So this is completed. So in this video, we have learned how to get 50% off of the database certification. Virtual Learning Festival 2025 is going on. Free rewards and limited time offer is this. This date will be the October 10 to 31st October 2025. All the steps are there. And note, follow the process on in the video. Share this video, YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. And for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorial and learning content. So don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.